What is up, everybody? I'm back. I'm ready to give you an update on the RocketBunny 280ZX. I am losing my voice a little bit because I'm recovering from Slam Enough Nashville last weekend, but I'm so excited to share these updates with you guys. I just couldn't wait until my voice came back to record this video. And let me just start by saying that this kit has genuinely tried my life. It has not been nearly as simple or easy to put on as I thought that it would be. I may have cried just once though. Finally made some awesome progress. It looks incredible. The kit lines up so well. It is 100% worth all of the blood, sweat, and literal tears. So let's check it out. Just a couple of things to note. I have not put the RocketBunny wing duck bill on. I have left the one on that I had on to begin with, which I absolutely love. The RocketBunny one is significantly more aggressive in my opinion, but I do really love the one that's on right now. I am also missing a piece that goes right here in the middle of the bumper, as well as the RocketBunny front splitter that comes with this bumper. This bumper is 4 pieces total, including the splitter. The splitter I am probably going to have painted black or leave black, so that probably will not go on until after the car is painted. Now, the RocketBunny kit even comes with new headlight bezels, so these are not the OEM bezels, these are the RocketBunny bezels, and they did not fit perfectly. They did take some shaving down. But just about everything else on this kit fit absolutely perfectly. I honestly cannot complain at all. But the bezels were the one thing that did take a little bit of at-home modification. And now they line up pretty well, especially compared to how they were. I am looking to drop this car off for paint in the next month or so. That is super exciting. I'm stoked. Lots of body work that needs to be done, but I think I found a really great painter and I'm super excited to show you guys his work. Obviously, I still have some body work that needs to be done. These holes are from the previous kit that I'm no longer running, so those need to be filled before paint. Yes, my car is on bags. Sits pretty close to the ground even without the front splitter on, and I'm absolutely thrilled about that. But yes, this car is on air ride. I am not team static. I am not built for that life. Shout out to those who are. This thing looks incredible. And I'm not entirely sure how other people are getting their kits on or how other people plan to put their kits on. Every platform is a little bit different, but I did not film much of the install because the install itself was kind of a headache. All right guys, so according to the directions, there are no directions. I have no idea where to start. So it required green spray paint and extra bolts and drilling holes and then putting bolts through the holes, marking the kit with the spray paint, then drilling holes in the kit, then putting the kit on the car and reaching our hand through a hole in the wheel well to get the bolt through the kit. It was kind of a disaster. I have a feeling a lot of other people are going to like double-sided tape / glue their kits on. I didn't want to do that. People might be anti-drilling holes in cars. I don't know. I don't really care. This is how we did it. I do have a tiny bit of footage on that, so I'll add that here. Okay, so small update. Got the rear fender reattached. Attached to the bumper, which is all this part and that part. Turns out the holes do actually go through. They're just really tricky to get to. Where's that other one? Right there. Very difficult to get to, but they do go through, which does help with putting the kit on the way that we need it to go on. So, but the kit is on and it's not going anywhere and it lines up so flawlessly, and I'm so thrilled that I took the extra time to do it the way that we did it because it looks so good. It does need a bit more body work. I also need a new power steering rack. So a few things, maintenance things. It does run and drive, but Needs a new power steering rack, so it sounds horrific to drive. I need help finding a seat bracket. If any of my ZX owners have access to aftermarket seat brackets that slide, side mount, I need a side mount adjustable seat bracket. Please help a girl out. Preferably one that doesn't take 90-day back order just to get, which at this point I should have just ordered, because it's been 90 days. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions or comments about how I got the kit on. The next thing to build is the 2J that I still have with the trans and a clutch and a rebuilt head that got rebuilt 3 times. But I'm stoked to get the 2J built and in the car. Step 1 is getting the kit on, getting it painted, and just having something fun to drive for now while the 2J gets built on the side. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and